Hi there! Thank you for visiting the Grazing Wombat channel. Today, I'm going to make Tonjiru miso soup with pork and lots of root vegetable. It's guaranteed to warm and fill you up. After watching this video, please consider click like and subscribe. Thank you! Today's ingredients. These ingredients you can buy at the Asian shops. Check the links in the description. First, score the konjac surface on both sides. If you can get konjac, just skip this part. After scoring both sides, cut the konjac into bite-sized pieces and put them into a bowl. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt, rub in and leave 15 minutes. This will get rid of the konjac smell. Next, cut the onion into bite-sized pieces. Cut daikon into quarter rounds. If you can't get daikon, use vegetable you like, such as potato, turnip, or cauliflower. Next, cut the carrot into half moons. Cut the sweet potato into quarter rounds. Put all the vegetable except the onion into a bowl and cover with water to remove starch. Next, cut the thin sliced pork into bite-sized pieces. Pour water into the konjac bowl, wash off the salt, then strain the water. Next, add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil into a pot and turn heat to mid. Add the pork and cook through it. Add the onion and stir. Next, add all root vegetable and stir. Last, add the konjac and stir for 2 or 3 minutes. Next, 1 liter of filtered water and bring to the boil. Once boiling, remove the scum. Check the root vegetables are soft. Add 2 teaspoons of dashi powder and 65 grams of miso paste. Put the miso paste in a ladle. Use a chopstick to melt the miso paste. That's the easy way. Once the miso is melted, turn off the heat. Pour the tonjiru into a bowl, garnish with spring onion, then serve. An easy and authentic tonjiru miso soup with lots of goodness. Thank you for watching. See you next time.